Good afternoon. Welcome to Lisa Ann Can. I'm Lisa Ann. Today I'm making a video on rabbit stew, so while I'm waiting for that to cook, I'm going to make my garlic cheese biscuits to serve with it tonight. So I'm just going to jump right in and do that and probably post this as a separate video. So I've got 2 cups of self-rising flour and a 1/4 cup of shortening, some garlic powder, a heaping cup of buttermilk, and a couple of cups of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. So I'm just gonna use my fingers to get the shortening out of the cup, but what I'm gonna do is use this excess to grease my pan. I think I was really planning on getting my fingers dirty. Okay. And I'm going to need a big spoon. I always like to use the shortening to lotion my hands. I've got the oven preheating to 400 degrees. I'm going to use my pastry knife and cut that shortening into the flour. The self-rising flour, you probably know, already has salt and soda and baking powder in it to cause it to rise without you having to add those ingredients. So I am tempted to add salt, but I know that with the cheddar cheese and the buttermilk, they will be salty enough. Gotta grab a spoon. Follow me, follow me, follow me. Okay, so far flour and shortening. Next is stirring in the buttermilk. A little bit at a time. Kind of have to hold on to the bowl. I want to go ahead before I get too far and put in about a 1/4 teaspoon of the garlic powder. Make sure I get down in the bottom of that bowl that there's no flour underneath there. Sounds like my hubby's home. It's a little early. All right, nice batter, very thick. Dumping the cheese in. Probably should have done a little bit at a time. Stir that in really well. Again, making sure you're getting down to the bottom of the bowl so that you have cheese throughout your biscuit. Alright, so I'm just going to do drop biscuits. It's a little less messy and a little quicker. Oh yeah, I need that. So I just kind of eyeball my bowl and divide it into kind of 8 portions, 4 and 4. And I just drop them in to my pan by the spoonfuls. And they're going to be different sizes. They're going to run together a little bit, but that's all right. I'd like to have 8 to 10 biscuits if possible. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Always works out to be about 8. The dough that I have left, I'm just going to add to the top of each biscuit. Try to make them even sized. Alright, messy. There they are. Just going to pop those in the oven for about 20 minutes. Right, my biscuits came out of the oven. My phone stopped recording, but anyway, the biscuits turned out lovely. I gave them a brushing with butter when they came out and sprinkled them with parsley and a little bit of salt. They're very delicious, a little soft. If you want them to be crispier, of course, put them on a large baking sheet and separate them and bake them a little bit longer. And that way they'll be nice and crispy. We like them really soft, and I think they'll go really great with the rabbit stew that I prepared. So thank you for watching, and if you would like and haven't already, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Until next time.